This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from DeAgostini. If you'd like to build along, pop along to DeAgostini.com where you can order one for your very own. They also have several other part work build-up models that you can build for everything from cars to boats and everything in between. So I'd like to thank them very much for giving me the opportunity to build this so you can all watch and see exactly how it all goes together. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 68 of building the Ford GT from DeAgostini. In this issue, we are doing very, very little. That is the thing with these this particular part work. We can see what we're looking at there. John Weir? I don't know who that is, but you can feel free to read all the words about him if you so desire. Pictures as well, all good stuff. So yes, we are starting the left rear wheel. We've got two parts which we're putting together just like that, and that's it for this part of the build. Nice and easy, very quick and sorted. So because this is such a quick short build, I shall show you the free gift provided in this package. We have, as is tradition with Partworks, a mug. Obviously quite nice in the colours, the teal and orange colours of the Ford GT there. It's a mug. It will hold things. I won't use it for drinks. I shall probably use it, like I use most of my mugs that I get from Partworks, for storing tools in. I have some screwdrivers and things in there. I do need to tidy up and organise things, so I will tidy up and organise my screwdrivers a little bit further with another mug. So let me clear this out of the way. We'll get the part put together and it will be done in no time at all. So the parts supplied in this issue, I've also uncovered the parts from previous issues, which we won't use the magnetic hubcap quite yet. But first of all, we're going to pop that in there like so. Obviously the four sockets, the four holes line up with the four holes. And that pushes home like that. And then the four posts obviously go through those same holes. They are equally spaced, so it doesn't matter which way around things go. And that is... yeah, it's got to be that way around. I was going to think, is it the wrong way around? But it isn't. That will need some squishing to get that home, which I shall do. I might need to hit it with a little hammer just to get that all the way home through there, because you need to get that gap to be much closer together, much like it is on that side, but all the way around. So I shall work on that and get that done, and that will be another issue complete. Next time, I think we're putting the tyre on it, and that's about it. So I shall see you for that very, very soon. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.